living in a country where natural forests have been cut and you are being taught how to grow the organic or inorganic forest.
हाय विजनरीज गाइस कैसे हैं आप लोग दैट्स लवली गाइस यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट हैदराबाद
ना काटो पेड़ों को ना काटो
Politicians not letting India to grow.
Deforestation is a very harmful thing.
Just imagine someone destroy your house.
हाय विजनरीज गाइस कैसे हैं आप लोग दैट्स लवली गाइस यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट हैदराबाद व्हाट डू यू थिंक गाइस इज इट डाइंग or not dying? It is definitely like dying. So I want you people to have a discussion over this hot topic. What exactly has been happening in Hyderabad? I want you people to express in a best possible way. Who would like to start first? Krishna.
Imagine living in a country where natural forests have been cut and you are being taught how to grow the organic or inorganic forest, means the artificial forest, means the concrete jungle. Like that thing only has been happening in our Hyderabad, which is the beautiful state of our country, India. What kind of thing has been happening? Where 400 acre of land has been cut and they want to make it as like a Europe. We people want to develop our country just by adding some of the glass buildings as like Europe, and we will call it as a developed country. But the basic knowledge we don't have, that is, we people need to develop the forest first. Instead of developing the glass building, we should focus over our nature that has been dying because of you people and because of me too. I believe our country needs to more focus over the forest, the basic thing that is too much necessary for us. Now, what kind of thing has been happening? I would like to give it to the Amrit.
So Krishna, I am on the same page. Since the history, we have been learning that we should not do the deforestation, and since the history we are learning the importance of the tree, but still we are doing the deforestation. Let's move on the Hyderabad situation where the deforestation is going on, but the on the 3 April it's stopped by the government of the Hyderabad. And if I talk about the which type of situations they are facing, animals of the Hyderabad, that we can say as the jungle, as the Amazon Amazon jungle is the lungs of the whole entire world. Uh, as the Hyderabad jungle, as known as the KGF jungle as well as it is the lungs of the Hyderabad. So if we are going to destroy our lungs, so we cannot live a long life. And still, we still like there are lots of species who live in the Hyderabad jungle, as like alien, deer, and elephants. They are coming from the jungle to our home. So we can also face the problems because of that animals, because we are destroying their home.
ना काटो पेड़ों को ना काटो. This is the current scenario of Kancha Gachibauli forest. Actually, Kancha Gachibauli forest is nearby University of Hyderabad. So let's talk about the basic thing of it. Like in 2024, government gave the land to the private sector for the development. But in 2006, when the government took the same land to the to himself, why so? Because they think so, because they didn't do anything. But recently in 2024, when the result came, High Court said yes, this is a true thing and this land should be under the government. But after that, they don't waste time and start working over it. And we know the current scenario, IT hub, infrastructure, and many more things are going on. And you can't imagine this situation, and in this time, animals are roaming on the road. And just imagine the situation if you have a owner of something and someone snatch you that thing from you. So how do you feel?
Well, they all mentioned about what is happening in Hyderabad. So let's dive into it. Well, the people of Telangana government said they had an agreement, a kind of agreement with Hyderabad University. They mentioned there is no such animal species, there is no flowering plant which can lead to the evolution of our nation called as India. Apart from this, they mentioned there is no lake, there is no river in that forest. But Hyderabad University denied that there was no agreement between Telangana government and between the Hyderabad University. Now you can imagine how the corruptive our government is. If people believe in politicians, but the politicians are not letting India to grow. They cut tree at night during the 1 p.m., 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. Right, where everybody was sleeping, even the animals too. If just imagine somebody is disturbing your sleep, you will abuse that person. Similarly, if you are disturbing the sleep of animals, they can't even speak, but they can express their emotions by their voice. And this is what the peacocks, which is known as the national bird of our nation, are showing that they are crying by their voice only. And this is what which is happening in our nation called as Hyderabad. Apart from this, we can see the current situation of Hyderabad. Now there is a question: what would happen if this case or cutting of trees continue to happen?
Well, absolutely right. I agree with everybody right there. Yes, deforestation is a very harmful thing, and I believe it will become a problem for the world, not for just for India, because tree plays a very vital role in our environment and the sustainable environment. If trees would not be there, the harmful carbon dioxide would be present in the environment, and it can make major issues. It can impact the weather. There would be a lot of high chances of heat waves as we faced last time in Delhi. It would be very, very problematic for Delhi, not only for Delhi, but for the world, because there would be no trees for consuming harmful carbon dioxide.
Just imagine someone destroy your house brutally. What what will be your feelings? This is going on in Hyderabad right now. The animals the animals, their home are destroyed by the government, and to help the animals, the central government, means the Supreme Court, jump into this topic, and they are supporting animals to not cutting trees. Means they talk to the central minister of, no the they talk to the state minister of the Hyderabad, and they stop this controversy, not a controversy, they stop this distribution of this huge forest. And the people who are surrounding of this, who loves nature, they are also helping to don't cut these trees. The question arises here that why only they are cutting that forest only, while in another state they are not cutting trees.
Well said by Ritesh. And Supreme Court had already jumped into it, and the Supreme Court's uh, order on 3rd April, uh, ordered on 3rd April has halted all the activity in the area. But if the CEC report comes under CEC report confirmed that Kancha Gachi Bauli comes meets the criteria of the deemed forest, so the whole land would come under the Forest Conservation Act 1980.
As we are seeing the alarming situation of our country or all the world, and it is important to maintain 33% of the forest in India, and that's why we have to be a protest for the conservation of the forest in India. As we know, there are many species in the Hyderabad forest, and if they are extinct, we will not be able to make the center for the species. And we know there is a mushroom species uh, which is made by the rock, and it is most important for the India. And there is we can see that there we can see that animal were crying. It was so hard breaking situation when people were just destroying their forest, and they were crying. And we can see that importance of the Supreme Court, where he stayed the forest deforestation. And it is important for us that if Supreme Court is not there, we will be not able to maintain the forest, and our government should be think about the people welfare without taking decision about the people. They should not make such a huge decision which is destroy our nation. And a forest is important that we have. If we don't have long, what we will do, because of forest we are seeing that carbon dioxide and oxygen is maintained on the earth, and we have to think about the forest that should not be destroyed, and we have to protest for that city.
Well, we all say that animals are very harming to us and they always kill human beings coming from their forest. But we have never ever noticed that we only are the one who destroy their house, and that is only they have to come out of their house. Just imagine ki a forest is being cut in Hyderabad, and the animals who are living into that forest, they have to come out and roam over the highways and the places outside of the forest, and they are really, showcasing their emotions by crying and doing other activities. Their anger will definitely increase because you are just directly, destroying their house. We will even do the same thing if our house will be destroyed, so we will even give the same expression as like animals are even saying or providing that emotion only. So here, what I do believe that the forest should not be cut it down, and even the students or the people who are the local of that particular place, they have protested and that has stopped. But at least that this thought would have not came into the mind of government.
Well, yeah, well spoken, everybody. I agree with everybody's point of view. And back to the square one, I would want to tell you guys that you guys told about the emotional aspect, what is happening with the animals. Now, I would like to tell you that what would it impact or the deforestation will impact on the world. Actually, the circumstances happening in Hyderabad is a bad decision of government, because cutting a natural forest for just an IT park is, I would say, surely a bad decision. And the things which would impact the world is that trees plays a very vital role in the environment or the cycle of environment. And if trees would not be there, there would be carbon dioxide, harmful carbon dioxide, which will harm the whole society, all the whole and the whole environment. The weather would be interrupted, and there would be a lot of harmful heat waves present in the environment, which will impact on every human being. Second thing I would say, glaciers will melt. It will also impact us. Third thing I would say, there would be a lot of problems in the respiratory system. Diseases like asthma will increase, and we would surely face some of the problems. Not some of the problems, but major problems in the world.
The same thing took place by the government in 2015, but not in Hyderabad, in Andhra Pradesh. They also took a kind of a land from the farmers. They also tried this thing only, that they would be making some of the IT's hub. By that, it would be looking more beautiful, and India would be known as the developed country. But just try to imagine, this kind of thing is going to happen again. Now, we people need to take any kind of action so that our country would not get developed only in terms of the glass building, as I mentioned you earlier, but with the education, with the environment. As we all know, as Amrish stated the point, what kind of thing can happen if forest would be cut, what kind of climate change would be occur, glacier will be melted. If do you want to see this kind of thing? I don't think so. That's why I want to say to this audience, we need to take some kind of action to to stop this kind of thing again.